Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to remove virus and malware in Samsung A36 or A56. If you are using A36 or A56 and you want to remove virus and malware, so let's see how you can do this. You just have to open your device settings. In settings, just scroll down and look for security and privacy, tap on it. Then go for app security, select it. Then select app protection, and here just tap on turn on to turn the settings on. Just tap on turn on again, and here just select scan phone. So it will start scanning and it will scan all of your phone apps just like that. You just have to wait for it scanning. And here you can see scanning has been completed and no threat found. So after that, just go back, and here's Google Play Protect. Just tap on it, then tap on scan, so it will start scanning. So you just have to wait for it. So after that, if there is any virus or malware, it will remove that. You can see no harmful apps found, so it means that my phone is cleaned. So if you will get any virus and malware, you can easily delete it from your phone. So that's how you can easily remove virus and malware in Samsung A36 or A56. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.